Tangu hapo taanguka nje.
Baba,
Eve mi gidiyoruz? Biz yemek yiyeceğiz diyor. Sen de hamburger yemeyeceksin. Ne yiyeceksin?
hamburger.
Tamam.
Parka gidiyor.
Denizden geldik ya. Parka da mı gitmek istiyorsun? Tamam gideriz.
Market parka.
Market parka.
Market parka.
Balonya var ya bizim. Market yok mu?
Market park and what mall? Mall is
Close. Öyle işte. Ama yemek yedik. Hava kararmazsa gideriz biz yani, olur mu?
Hava kararmaz.
Tamam. Yemek yedikten sonra bakarız. Hava kararmazsa
Kaçta gidiyorsun?
gideriz. Bugün olmaz bu arada. Bugün hava karanlık var. Seans bitmeyecek. Son seans. 20 gece. Tamam mı?
bana ne?
Lilian senin için açsınlar o zaman. Tekrar açtırırlar.
Okay guys, now we are in the city and we came to buy some things and also we want to go eat. So let's tour our street, our city street. The movement here, a busy street. In this street you'll find everything. You'll find foods, you'll find local market, you'll find main shops, you'll find bazaar, street where they sell clothes, shoes, bags, carpets, everything. Accessories, you'll find it here. As you can see, here they are selling boiled corn and also they are selling roast corn. And there's this one they are calling, I don't know, it's chak or what would they call it in Turkey. They are very sweet. I love them. I love to eat those things. I don't know how they call it. They have to roast it, then you remove the skin and eat the inside. Yeah, and those are main shops that sell everything. This is the local market where you find vegetables, fruits. Yeah, you can find everything here. So let's tour inside the local market. We are on the street right now. And this is the bazaar I told you, where they sell clothes, shoes, bags, as you can see. This is the main shop where they sell herbs, and also if you want to make hair oil, you'll find ingredient here. This is a butcher where they sell meat, chicken, fish. But this one is a fish butcher. If you want to buy fresh fish, you come here. This is where they sell it. As you can see, the fish. And this is how the street looks like. So clean. very clean. And now we are on the park. We're back home. But before going home, my daughter, she want to come to play. So I take her here to play. There's no children here. There's no kids here playing because the sun is too much. The heat is too much. So no one take their kids to come here to play this time around. They have to wait until evening when the sun is down. But my own daughter, she won't listen. So I have to take her to play. She'll play here for a few minutes, then we go back. She can come back here in the evening when the sun is down. There's no heat. She can come back here and play with other kids. But for now, she'll have to play alone. Around behind those building, that is where you'll find the Black Sea, and also that is the train road. We are very close to train station. So if I want to go to if I want to go somewhere like town, I would just come down here and take a train and go wherever I want to go. People use train more than using buses. It's not like there's no buses there, but people prefer to use train more than buses, because if you use train will take you direct to your destination. But if you take buses, if you reach to your destination, you have to walk so many kilometers. That is why we prefer to use train. And using train, you have to buy card. We don't pay with cash. You have to buy card so that you can use the card to enter the train. As well, bus. If you want to go somewhere with bus, you will also use a card. The same card you use on the train, that is the same card you have to use on the bus. There's no different. You just use the same. Yeah, so that is it. So in the evening when you come back here, you find parents sitting there having tea and their kids playing here. Yeah, their parents sitting on the benches and having teas, melon seeds and everything, and their kids playing here. Yeah, that is it. And this place, if you want to do some exercise, jogging, you can come here in the morning and do your exercise. Yeah, you can come here in the morning, and also you can come here in the evening. It's your choice. If you don't have money to go gym, just come here. Hey, children park play, but also you as an elder, you can play too. You can come here and do your exercise. She's done playing, and now we are going back home and wait until the sun is down, and that will be evening around 6 o'clock. She will come back here with her father. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate. Thank you so much for listening, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Leave a comment under the video, like, share, and turn on the notification for more video.